Why study in the United States? Here are just a few of the reasons why more than 1 million international students are furthering their education in the United States. Quality. U.S. colleges and universities are known worldwide for the quality of their facilities, resources, and faculty. Accreditation systems ensure that institutions continue to maintain these standards. Choice. The U.S. education system is unrivaled in the choice it offers in types of institutions, academic and social environments, degree programs, and subjects in which to specialize. Diversity. You can find a mix of people from all different backgrounds and all corners of the globe on U.S. campuses. Value. As an investment in your future, a U.S. degree offers excellent value for the money. A wide range of tuition fees and living costs, plus some financial help from colleges, make study in the United States affordable. Flexibility. Students at U.S. universities and colleges may choose from many courses within their college or university and have the option to move from one institution to another. Completing the first 2 years of a degree at one institution, usually a community college, and then moving to another, is very common. Choosing the best schools for you and preparing successful applications will require commitment and careful planning on your part, but in almost every country there are specialized advisors who understand your needs and can help you. Information and advice on study in the United States are available to you from a network of EducationUSA advising centers worldwide. Directories, guides, college catalogs, and admissions test information are available at the centers. You can also meet trained educational advisors who want to help you and your family with the process of choosing and applying to U.S. colleges and universities. Some centers also run events like college fairs or seminars. Introductory information in the form of video or group presentations, website access, and independent resource libraries is available free of charge, but payment may be required at some centers for additional services. All EducationUSA advising centers are supported by the U.S. Department of State, with the goal of providing accurate, comprehensive, and current information about opportunities to study at accredited higher education institutions in the United States. However, the names of the centers and the organizations that run them vary from country to country. To locate the center nearest you, contact your closest U.S. embassy or consulate, or consult the list available on the EducationUSA website.